Basic ASL sentence structure, adjectives. This video is to show you how to use adjectives in an ASL sentence. Adjectives. An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. In ASL, an adjective will go either before or after the noun. Here's an example sentence using the format subject, verb, object. The boy wants a blue bicycle. So now let's break this down. The subject is going to be the boy. Let's just say the boy is standing right over here. Now the verb is going to be wants, and the object is going to be bicycle. The adjective that is modifying bicycle is going to be blue. So now let's try to sign this in ASL. First I say, boy, he is standing right there. Wants is the verb. And let's do the adjective after the noun. So I would say bicycle, blue, and now I'm going to point back to the subject pronoun he. So let's do this a little bit more smoothly. Boy, he, wants verb, bicycle is the object, blue adjective, and I'm going to point back to the subject pronoun he. Now let's do this without using my voice. Okay, so now let's do it with the adjective before the noun. So let's start this again. Boy, he wants blue bicycle, and I'm going to point back to the subject pronoun he. Let's do this again. Boy, he wants verb, blue adjective, bicycle, the object. Now I'm going to point back to the subject pronoun he. Now let me do this without my voice. In other words, the boy wants a blue bicycle. Here's another sentence. The woman drinks black coffee. So using subject, verb, object, let's break this down. The subject is going to be the woman. Let's just say she's standing right here. So woman, she. Now the verb is going to be drink. Now coffee is the object, and so black is going to be the adjective that's modifying coffee. So if I were to sign this, very simply I'd say woman, she, drinks coffee, black, she. Now what if I want to do the adjective before the noun? So let's try this again. Woman, she, or I could say she, woman, drinks black coffee, and I point back to the subject pronoun she. Either way is fine. Now, what if I throw in another adjective? Let's just say I say, the beautiful woman drinks black coffee. Now, for simplicity's sake, let's sign the adjectives after the noun. So I would say this. Woman, beautiful, she, drinks coffee, black, she. Let me do this again. Woman, beautiful, she, drinks coffee, black, she. Now, what if I wanted to sign it with the adjectives before the noun? So I can do this. Beautiful woman, she, drinks black coffee, she. I just did the adjectives before the noun. So let's try this again. Beautiful woman, she, drinks black coffee, she. Now I've done it before and I've done it after. I've also added another adjective just to kind of make it a little bit more spicy. In this video, I've shown you a basic way on how to use adjectives in the ASL sentence. If you've learned anything from this video, do me a favor, hit that like button. Next, hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.